Hey y'all, we are back with your girl Chanel Nicole, and we are actually recording how you get these luxurious looking bottles for half the price because you're gonna do it yourself. Like, they sell them like they're too much. Like, do it yourself, like I did. At this point, I'm just prepping my area so I can get ready to start glittering the bottles. Here I got my paintbrush picked out to use. Here I am sorting through my glitters that I would like to choose, and I'm doing it for Babyboy's party, so I will be doing gold, red, and onyx. Here I am prepping, and I am about to use a styrofoam plate to pour the Mod Podge on, and that's just so that you can like keep using the Mod Podge without it like getting stuck to actually anything. You just toss it out when you're done, of course. Here you just get the Mod Podge and start putting it onto the bottle. Not too thin, but not really thick either. Just like the right consistency. You can see the way I do. You move around the label with the brush. Of course, I did have my masking tape, which will make it easier. You can apply it to the bottle, so you won't really have to worry about moving around the label. But of course, I have children that misplace things, and when you ask where it is, it's, oh well, I didn't touch it. So and so had it, or my mom always say you can't chase down a lie, so I don't know where it's at, but we're gonna improvise. So once you've added your Mod Podge where you would like it, you trade the plates around and get a clean plate so that way the glitter can collect on the plate. You hold the bottle slightly to its angle and you just do it. It's not gonna be perfect. It might get a little messy. That's why I'm outside. I did this inside and it was a horrible mistake. Let me tell you, glitter was everywhere. So here I'm just I'm just shaking off the excess, and then I decided to like show you guys how you like get it back into the container. You fold the plate in half and you just knock the bottom of the plate. And here we are about to just finish with the bottle, adding more Mod Podge to the rest of the bottle, and of course the glitter. And then adding the glitter, and then of course tapping the excess and putting the rest back into the container. And then here I planned on showing you just about every bottle in each color one time, but for some reason my camera cut out. So when it cuts back in, I've already did a couple of bottles. Not my fault, sorry. And this is showing you with one coat. I ended up doing 2 coats because you can still see the bottom. I didn't really like that too much. Trying to get that professional look. And then here I just added more Mod Podge because I did step away and it started to dry up. But that's the good thing about the styrofoam plates. You can just add more. And I think one of my kids has started fooling with it too. But that's a whole nother story. And then here, just adding, of course, the Mod Podge before you start doing glitter. And since it didn't record the other ones, I just started to do another red one, of course, to show you guys the process. Pretty much self-explanatory and easy. Mod Podge glitter. Same steps over and over, just repetitive. Hold the bottle to an angle, apply the glitter. Nothing too hard. Add. So again, my camera kept cutting out, but I did this on camera, just wasn't recording. It's just a little decal that I got to add to his name where it says Zane. Same process, add the Mod Podge, put the glitter. Nothing too hard, tap it away. Excess so it's not just everywhere falling loose, you know. Same steps here again. Same steps. Mod Podge, glitter, tap it away. Put up the excess that fell loose. Finish the bottle. I think here I was rushing because I knew my camera kept cutting out and I ended up doing the whole bottle. So I could just do it in one step. But it's not always the best because it starts to dry depending on how thick and how thin you actually add the Mod Podge. But I was just trying to hurry up. You can also do it to your own liking, a section at a time. With the masking tape, it's much easier. I love that way, but like I said, it was misplaced. And there you go. Held the bottle at an angle, add the glitter. Like I said, it was all in one step for me this time. Because I was trying to hurry up and make sure I actually got the recording of it. And then, of course, you tap it away, put the excess away. Now, you do need to have multiple plates. So if you're doing 3 different colors, have 3 different plates for the different glitters. Because if not, they will all add together from some of them still staying on the plate. So I actually used a total of 4 styrofoam plates for the Mod Podge and the 3 glitters I actually did. Now here, I'm just taking a brush and taking the excess off the paper because when it runs down, the glitter sometimes sticks to the paper. And then I was taking just a basic card out of my purse and scraping away where I went over on the edges there. And try to get it off as much as possible. It's much easier to do this when it is still wet, but semi kind of dry. Not all the way dry, but I still got it away. Like I said, still got that professional look. It still looks good. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's for my son. It's not actually for anyone in particular. But it still came out very great towards the end. You'll see. Here we are doing the same steps. Brush it away. Excess glitter off the paper. Wherever you see it needs to be taken away. Now go ahead with your card and scrape on the paper where it went over and you wanted to try to edge it up so it don't look so sloppy. in here. Once the bottles are done drying, you just add the acrylic sealer, and then it just came out bomb. Like, you'll see. Okay, girl, did you make it to the end of the video? Okay, yes, we did. We did that. Yes, we did. Look at that. Look at that. And you would think it's done by a professional. All right, now.